In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change sword in Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about all of the ways in which you will be able to change your weapon in Attack on Titan Revolution. You will be able to upgrade it so it does more damage and it is going to be more useful, or you will be able to add visual effects like an aura to make it look cooler. So first, if you just want to upgrade your blade, you just have to go over to equipment, make sure that you select upgrades, and at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to find the options to upgrade your blade here. So you can select blade durability, crit chance, crit damage, ODM damage, and of course, a lot of other options. Now, of course, this is going to be primarily focusing on improving the grade of your blade so it does more damage and you will be allowed to go over into higher difficulty missions. This doesn't necessarily change the blade or the sword itself, so keep that in mind. This is only if you want to upgrade. Now, if you do want to visually change your sword, there are two main ways to do this. If you go over to your inventory, one of the options here is going to be to go into the crates menu. Now, I don't have anything here on my inventory, but if you did, you would be able to find them under crates, and as the name suggests, you can open these crates. As you can see, for example, on the Blade Burst crate that costs 2,499 gems or crystals, you will be able to get various different blades. So usually, this is what most people refer to when they mean changing swords. So you will be able to equip these effects. You have rare ones that stand out and common ones that won't have a super crazy effect, but they still look nice. So if you really want to get this, you can purchase them here. So once you purchase the Blade Burst crate, you will be able to find it on your inventory and you can equip it here for your sword. The last option that you have is going to be by completing achievements. So an example would be on the Scout Bravery 3, where you are able to get this effect, Nightfall, which is going to be a dark aura on your blade. So you just have to reach a bunch of streaks and eventually you will be able to get this effect. I hope I was able to help you on how to change sword in Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.